Good morning, children. I hope you are all well and good. Welcome to Math class, Grade 4, Chapter 3, A Trip to Bhopal, Part 2. Today, we are going to discuss about forming numbers. Forming greatest and smallest numbers. To form the greatest number, rearrange the digits in descending order. Descending order, how to arrange the numbers? Big to small. To form the smallest number, rearrange the digits in ascending order. How to arrange the numbers in ascending order? Small to big. If you get 0 at extreme the left, then exchange its place with the number on its right. Okay, children, look at the examples. Form the greatest 4-digit number using the digits. What are the digits given? 1, 9, 6 and 8 without repeating the digits. Look at the solution. The descending order of the digits. How to arrange descending order? Big to small. Look at the digit. Which one is bigger? 9 and then 8 and then 6. At last 1. The greatest number is 9,861. Look at the next example. From the smallest 4-digit number using the digits 5, 3, 7 and 9 without repeating the digits. The ascending order of the digit is small to big. Which one is small here? 3. After 5 and then 7. At last 9. 3, 5, 7 and 9. The smallest number is 3,579. And then one more example. Form the smallest and greatest 4-digit numbers using the digits 2, 4, 8 and 0 without repeating the digits. The descending order of the digit is 8, 4, 2, 0. Thus the greatest number is 8,420. The ascending order of the digit is 0, 2, 4 and 8. We cannot have 0 at the first digit on the left because it will make it a 3-digit number. It will make it a 3-digit number. So, we exchange it with the second digit. We exchange it the second digit from the left. Thus, the smallest number is 2048. Okay, children. And the next one is comparison of numbers. We compare two numbers to find out which is greater or smaller of the two numbers. If the two numbers are exactly same, we say that are equal. Look at the examples. Numbers with different number of digits. If two numbers have different number of digits, then the number which more digit is greater of the two. Look at the example. Compare 4,387 and 982. Here 4-digit numbers, here 3-digit number. So which one is greater? 4-digit number is greater. So write 4,387 is greater than 982. And then one more example. Numbers with same number of digits. Same number of digits means, look at the sum. Compare 5,183 and 4,059. Here also 4 digits and then here also 4 digits. So what we do? First compare the digits at the thousands place. In this thousands place, what is the number is given? 5. And then in the sum 4. So which one is greater? 5 is greater. So write the solution. 5,183 is greater than 4,059. Okay, children. And the next example. Compare 4,680 and 4619. Here the numbers have the same digits and then thousands and hundreds place. Thousands and hundreds place. Look at here. Here also 46 and then here also 46 is there. So compare the digits at the tens place. Tens place, what is the number in the sum? 8. Here 1. So which is greater? 8 is greater. So write the answer. 4680 is greater than 4619. Okay children. And the next one. Compare 8354 and 8356. Here the thousands, hundreds, tens, these are all same. So compare the digits at ones place. Okay children. And then which one is greater? 4 or 6? 6 is greater. So there write the answer. 8356 is greater than 8354. Okay children. And the next one, addition. What does mean by addition? Putting together two or more numbers is called addition. Look at here the addends. The numbers being added are called addends. The answer of addition is called sum. Look at that examples. Add 6542 and 3105. First you want to add from right to left. So add the ones. 2 plus 5 is 7. 4 plus 0 is 4. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So your answer is 9647. And the next example, add 3659 and 1484. Look at the solution. Add the ones. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7, what is the answer? 16 ones. The 16 ones can split in right. 110, 6 ones. So write ones place 6 here and carry over 1 in tens place. Right. Next step 2. Add the tens. 1 plus 5 plus 8. 1 plus 5 is 6 and 6 plus 8 is 14 tens. This we can split and write 104 tens. So write 4 under the tens column and carry over 1 in 100 place. Carry over 1 in 100 place. Add the hundreds. 6 plus 4 plus 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. So how many hundreds you got it? 11 hundreds. You can split and write 1000 plus 100. In this hundreds place, write under 1 and then carry over to the thousands place. Okay children. Write 1. Add this in this thousands. 3 plus 1 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So how many thousands? 5 thousands. Then your answer is 5146. Okay children. And the next example. Solve the following. 976 more than 2835. Add these two numbers. First you want to add the ones column. 5 plus 6 is 11. This you can split. 1 tens and 1 ones. 1 tens and 1 ones. So write under the ones column 1 here and then carry over to the tens place. Add 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 7 is 11. So in this 11 you can write 110 and 100. Write under the 1 in tens column and carry over 1 to the hundreds column. 1 plus 8 is 9 and then 9 plus 9 is 18. So this one can write 18 hundreds place and carry over 1 to the thousands place. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Our answer is 3811. That more than means you want to do the addition. So how much it is more than 2835? So 976 is more than 2835. What is your answer, children? 3811. And then next is a subtraction. Subtraction is taking away some objects or numbers from a group. Do that subtraction. This also move from right to left. So that we always subtract a smaller number from a bigger number. The answer we get after subtracting is called difference. Look at that example. Subtraction of 4-digit numbers. Subtraction without regrouping. What is the sum is given? Subtract 1425 from 2468. Place the numbers in the columns correctly. Subtract the ones. 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. And then 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. And then 2 minus 1 is 1. What is your answer, children? 1043. What is the difference? 1043. And then look at another example. Subtract 5869 from 7150. Subtract the ones. We cannot subtract 9 ones from 0 ones. Therefore, we regroup tens into ones. Here 5 tens and then 0 ones. Then do that borrowing. Give 1 from here. The tens column 4 tens and then ones column you got it 10 ones. So 10 minus 9 is 1. 10 minus 9 is 1. And then subtract the tens. We cannot subtract 6 tens from 4 tens. 6 tens from 4 tens. So we regroup hundreds into tens. Get 1 from here. And then already it is 1 here. You given 1 to the tens place. You got it 0 in hundreds place. In this tens place, how many tens? 14 tens. So 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6 is 8. Yes, children, 14 minus 6 is 8. And then subtract the hundreds. We cannot subtract 8 hundreds from 0 hundreds. Therefore, we regroup thousands into hundreds. Here 10 and then here 6. So in that 6,000 and 10 hundreds is there. So now do the subtraction. 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. And then do the subtraction in that thousands place. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. So what is the difference? 1281 is the answer. The next sum is 7240 less than 10,000 less than, you want to do the subtraction. 10,000 minus 7240. do the subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0. And then tens column, we cannot subtract 4 tens from 0 tens. Therefore, we regroup hundreds into tens. Here also 0, we regroup thousands into hundreds. Here also 0, so we regroup 10,000 into 1000. Here how many thousands you got it? 10 thousands. Then regroup thousands into hundreds. Here how many thousands? 9,000, and then here 10 hundreds. And we regroup hundreds into tens. And then here how many hundreds? 9 hundreds, and then in tens, how many tens? 10 tens. Now do the subtraction. 10 minus 6. 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. Here 0. So no value in this. And then your answer is 2760. I hope you understood this topic. I given the homework in your practice workbook, page number 20 and 21. We will meet again in the next class. Thank you all.